How do you protect your car from getting your windows broken by golf balls? My sister and her husband moved into an area near a golf course, and they've had their cars repeatedly have their windows broken, and it's been very, very expensive. This is my attempt to come up with something to help protect car windows from golf balls. You're going to need 5 things, primarily some hard drive magnets from eBay. I found they're the best place for the lowest cost. You want a glue gun, an X-Acto knife, and some rubber matting. I found the cheapest were the yoga mats on sale, but sometimes you can find them at thrift stores even much more inexpensively. And finally, a car cover will also help protect and keep the mat from coming off. Now, I just positioned the mat to where it would be best to place the magnets, then made marks to place holes in the mat, cut the mat out with some with an X-Acto knife, and then covered the bottom with some duct tape, and then glued in the magnets with some hot glue, and covered the top of the hole where the magnet is with a piece of rubber that was cut out earlier and split in half. And then it's pretty much good to go. It's a very simple project. The hardest part is figuring out where exactly you want to place the magnets on the mat and how many you need. If you're going to be using a car cover over the top of the mat, you won't need as many magnets. But if you're going to be relying entirely on the magnets, you're going to need probably more than you think. When you do buy your magnets, also buy more than you think, because you can always use these magnets for so many different types of projects. And the more you buy, the cheaper they're going to be for you to purchase, and they last basically your lifetime. So don't worry about it. It's a very simple project, and when placed properly over your windows, top or the sides or the back, this should protect from your windows getting smashed by golf balls very well. Sometimes the insurance companies won't pay, and also sometimes you have to replace more than your window. Some cars, my sister's husband's car, they can't replace the top window, they have to replace the entire top, which is thousands of dollars, and it's just incredible. They didn't move in to go golfing, they moved in because it was close to their grandchildren. It was so they're having to pay a lot for living next to a golf course. I'm going to leave links to everything in the video description. If you guys want to purchase anything, it always helps me out when you purchase stuff on Amazon. Okay, guys, hope this helps. See you out there.